Are you looking to increase your sales on Etsy? Well, you've come to the right place. Etsy is a fantastic platform for selling handmade and unique items, but with so many sellers out there, it can be tough to stand out. Here are a few tips to help you boost your sales and grow your business on Etsy. First and foremost, make sure your product photos are top-notch. High-quality, well-lit photos can make a huge difference in how your items are perceived by potential buyers. Invest in a good camera or smartphone with a high-resolution camera, and take the time to stage your products in an appealing way. Show your items from multiple angles and in different settings to give buyers a clear idea of what they're getting. Next, optimize your product titles and descriptions for search engines. Use keywords that are relevant to your items and that potential buyers might use when searching for products like yours. Be descriptive and specific in your titles and descriptions, and make sure to include important details like size, color, and materials used. This will not only help your items show up in search results, but it will also give buyers the information they need to make a purchase. Another important factor in increasing sales on Etsy is pricing your items competitively. Do some research to see what similar items are selling for on Etsy and other platforms, and price your items accordingly. Keep in mind that buyers on Etsy are often looking for unique, handmade items, so don't be afraid to price your products on the higher end if they are high quality and one of a kind. Lastly, promote your Etsy shop on social media and other online platforms. Share your products on Instagram, Facebook, Pinterest, and other social media sites to reach a wider audience. Consider running promotions or sales to attract new customers and keep existing ones coming back for more. By following these tips and putting in the time and effort to create high-quality products and market them effectively, you can increase your sales on Etsy and grow your business. Remember, success on Etsy doesn't happen overnight, but with dedication and perseverance, you can build a thriving business and reach your sales goals. Good luck.